Good afternoon, West Shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole. It is Cal coming at you with another review video. I recently put in my first order with Mama Bear soaps. This is one of the ones I got. I believe it's glycerin base. Of course, it's a shave stick. Energy. Great scent on this. It says 5 ounces, but I believe on the website it says 2 ounces. Notes on this of grapefruit, lemon, lime, hints of cucumber, jasmine, touch of pineapple, blackberry, and champagne. Awesomeness. Also got a sample puck of ylang ylang. Comes with this. I also got a whole bunch of different cocoa butter bar soaps to try. They smell wonderful. This company is out of Michigan, USA, established in 2008, handcrafted with Jennifer Slagle. About 125 different scents across her different product lines, a whole bunch of shaving and hygiene products. She also does dupes. I bought this for my wife. An homage to Coco Chanel number 22. What an amazing scent on this. Of course, guys, links to everything down below. We're going to go with one of my Dovos. Now, it has been a really long time since I've used a straight razor. I've used a lot of shavettes lately, but a really long time since I've used a straight razor, and even longer since I've used the Dovo. Got my strop. We're going to get stropped up. I'm not sure what the edge is like on this, but we're going to give it a go. And also, my first shave with this gorgeous 3D printed leather brush and stand that I got from Peter Despotis of Print Spots 3D. This is the Athena 26mm synthetic. Got to be careful because it is a bit fragile, so I'm just going to hold it like this when I lather. Again, links downstairs for this. Peter makes a wide variety of 3D printed products, mostly shave gear, but some other stuff in there too, so check it out. Offers it in this marble finish and also in black. So, we're going to give this a go. As I usually like to do, we're going to multi-speed, maybe put some music on, maybe do some voiceover. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do yet. But we're going to run this across the strop first and see how it goes. I apologize, I'm left-handed, so if you can't see in the camera, this is a strop I got from Spiffa Grooming out of Nova Scotia, Canada a few years ago. Canvas. Now we're going over to the leather side. Get the oils from my arm on there. And we'll see how this shaves. Again, I've got very limited experience with shave sticks, so give this a go. Wet the face, rub it onto the face. A lot of growth to go through. Build up the lather, get our shave going. What we're going to do, the edge on that is really tuggy, so I'm not really happy with it. I'm going to go grab one of my DEs. I'll come right back with a DE. So, what I've decided to go with is the Pearl Blaze, loaded with a brand new Astra. So, we'll continue our shave. Like I said, that Dovo is really tuggy, and I just don't feel like taking a chance, so I'll have to have it honed. So, got her cleaned out, got a DFS out of it. Really like that shave stick. Yeah, that's different. I've never used anything like that before. Be great for traveling. And I think that would meet FIA, CFIA, FDA, whoever hell deals with airplanes and transportation. I think this will meet their requirements. I don't remember exactly what that is, but great scent. Man, love this. Love the name on it, Energy. Now, although Jennifer Slagle at Mama Bears does offer different aftershave bombs, I think 3 different weights, mentholated, unmentholated, custom scent, unscented. If I understand correctly, she doesn't offer them in like some of her signature scents. Now, I haven't reached out there to ask, but because I would love to have the matching aftershave for this. But seeing as I don't, I'm going to go with Thayer's and then Dr. John's Hydra. Another citrus-based scent. Love it. Been a long time since I've used the Thayer's. Sorry, just checking to make sure my mic is on. Not sure what that is. I'm getting old. Maybe it's an age spot. Who knows? And the alcohol base. I do have the matching soap to this. It's in a box of gear. Oh, wow. Definitely some burn on that. Ooh, that's warm. Anyway, guys, I had a lot of growth to go through, so again, I'm not surprised. And I'm not sure this might be mentholated. I gotta look it up. It feels like it. It definitely feels like the Hydra is mentholated. Anyway, guys, gonna wrap this one up. Talking to you about Mama Bear's Soaps. Jennifer Slagle out of Michigan. Cocoa butter. I believe there's glycerin. Whole bunch of different sample sizes. Colognes, aftershave balms, hand soaps, beard products, or grooming products, all sorts of good stuff. Again, got this for the wife. Oh, love the smell of this. Love the way it smells on her. Just great stuff. Started out with my Dovo, but it was really tuggy. Didn't like the way it felt. There's nothing wrong with switching razors mid-shave. If you don't like the way it feels, if it's not sharp, if you're just having a moment where you're not comfortable with it or it's making you nervous, put it down, grab another razor. That's why we went over to the Pearl Blaze with a brand new Astra blade to finish this up. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention aggression level on this razor. I would call it a low medium aggressive. Not as aggressive as like an R41, but sure as hell not super, super mild. Very efficient. Got some blade feel to it. So yeah, a low medium aggression, medium aggression maybe on this razor, but check it out. Thanks. By the way, decided to dye this thing last night. Check out my video wherever the heck it gets posted. Not quite the look I was going for, but what the hell. It was fun. My wife's out of town for the weekend and I'm left unattended, so yeah, good a time as any. Anyway, guys, hope I could show you something. Hope you had a bit of a laugh. Thank you for your subscriptions. Hope you like it. Hope you'll hit the notifications button. Tell me what I'm doing right. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. We'll see you again real soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.